Here's really quick review on rounding. So there's two ways to think about how to successfully round a number. One way is to create a number line, and you're going to want to find wherever your number is in here, is it closer to this side or is it closer to this side? The other way to do it is kind of with a list of rules. You underline or you circle what you want, you check to the right, and then you determine whether you have to go up or down. So really quick, this is the number line way. Let's say we wanted to find 83 to the nearest tens place. So the two tens that are on either side of 83 are going to be 80 and 90. Because looking at the tens place, the lower 10 is going to be 80, the higher 10 is going to be 90. So 83 fits somewhere between 80 and 90. Now, I liked how this diagram has a roll. So if you put a ball right here, it would roll to this side here. 83 is on this side, so your answer is going to be 80. Okay? Because 83 is closer to 80 than it is to 90. And on the second line, it shows just a straight number line, and putting 5 right in the middle, 3 is on the side. Now, the other way to do it is by the list of rules, and this is how we did in class earlier this year. You can either underline it, or you can put a box around it, or you can circle it. Whatever you want to do, the place value. So let's use the same 83. I'm going to do 93 just for fun. No, wait. 63. Just so it's further away. Now, round it to the nearest 10. So here's the number we're looking at. That's the one. So the answer is going to be either 60 or 70 because 63 is in between those two. Now, how do we determine which one it is closer to? Well, you check once at the number to the right. So you're going to look at that number right there. If that number is 4 or smaller, then it stays the same. And this shows down here. 4 or less, let it rest. If it's 5 or more, you're going to let that number soar. So if this number, if the 3, this number here was higher, it was 5 or more, then we would go to this side. So that's really quick. Extend the page. Let's round 573 to the nearest 10. Okay, so following the rules, first rule here, circle, underline, or place value. 7. So that means we're going to be between 570 and 580. Those are my only two answers. And then, let's look at this number. 3 is less than 5, or more, so we're going to go to the downhill side. We're going to go to this one here, 507. That's a really, really, really fast review of rounding that we have covered a couple times this year. It may help you with tonight's homework. Bye.